Alright, well, on my way to pick up a 71 Ford to clean up. This looks like a pretty good candidate from the pics, so it should be interesting. Alright, let's check out this beast. This is a 1971 Ford F-250 Camper Special. I know that because, well, it says so right here. Also, it's got all this cool stuff here on the side. It's got a power jack and then some brackets for something here, hold downs maybe. It's two-wheel drive, and as you can see, it is a bit of a mess. And if you think this side's bad, oh, wait till we get to the other side. Just take a look at that. We got lichen or lichen, whatever you want to call it, growing on it. Some mildew and mold and everything. Oh, we do have a little storage box down here. Is anything living in here? Let's find out. Nope, just an old headlight. There's some lichen right there. Or lichen, however you want to pronounce it. We went through this in another video. It's been growing on the glass. This stuff eats into the paint. It actually grows its roots right into the paint. So when we get this off of here, there will be spots where the paint is just gone because it grew into it. I don't know how it's living on the glass. Yes, hood's a little ate up. We've got a total of one hubcap on it. All right, let's see what horrors we have inside this bad boy. It apparently had a snake in it. Somebody thought that mothballs would solve that, and so it stinks like mothballs, really badly. I cannot wait to vacuum those up and get them out of here. Got a nice Bose speaker up here. Look at that. I mean, it's a little, well, it's a little messed up now. Got a CB up here. Oh, and look at that. There's an 8-track as well. Man, that's really sweet. All right. Let's open this one up and see what's in here. Oh, there's a mouse nest. I really need to put this window back up. It's been down all night. But it's, if you look, this piece of track here where the felt has rusted out and come out and is now blocking the window. So I guess we need to fix that real quick. All right, I think with this screwdriver, we'll just be able to maybe pop this back in place. I don't know. Yeah, that's kind of got it back in. I wonder if it wouldn't be better just popping it. Oh yes, look at this. Look at this beauty. Oh, this is the gift that just keeps on giving. Wow. Come on now. Come on out of here. Oh, well, I almost got all of it. We can go in here with the mothballs. See if our window works now. Yeah, problem solved. Maybe. Well, with the pressure washer out, I may as well check out the engine and clean that off. Oh, well, that doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look too bad under here at all. Although, it's a lot of bent push rods. And it looks like somebody lost the drawers. And we got a bunch of spark plugs. Somebody's done a bunch of work on this recently, I think. Or who knows, it may not have been that recent at all. But let me get some of this junk out of here and hit it with a pressure washer. Looks a lot better. Gotta do the quick dry method. Alright, before I do anything more to the engine or the exterior on this thing, I gotta do something about this interior. It stinks. The mothball's gotta go. You can really see why that section rotted out. All the water that's been leaking into this poor truck over the years, that's how it got out. Wow, I have not seen magnets like these since I was a kid. I bet these were put in here when this thing was fairly new. But I'm here to clean. Alright, well, I think I have completely dismantled the rodent mansion. That's what happens when you build your nest without a permit. The 71 Ford F-250 has definitely been a fun ride. I've enjoyed scraping off the years of grime. Thanks for watching. Here's some beauty shots. I'll see y'all down the road. Breaker 19, breaker 19. Dudes with wrenches, you got your ears on, good buddy?
Dudes with wrenches here. I sure do, good buddy.